Okay, so this is a showing of how the harvester works. So if you type in the harvester into your command line, you will see this pop up with all of these different options, very similar to show options. And then if you type in a line like this with the harvester, tech D for what domain we're going to, and we're going to cali.org, and then tech L to limit the results 300, and then tech B for what search that we are using. So we're using Google. We will see this pop up. And so if we were to layer this with the earlier information that we were doing, we would see that we get information about different subdomains from this and different associated IP addresses with that. And so that can just, once again, give even more information. So I'll run both of those again. So we can see all of these options come up. And then I'll run this one. So you can see it says searching, 0, and then it will do the 100, then the 200, then the 300, and then it gives you all the results. So whatever limit you set it to, it will search that number of results. And you can see it doesn't take that long. So that is using the harvester. Thank you.